Okay, class 9 motion. We have seen in earlier videos distance, uh, speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. How much distance you have covered in how much time, which will be speed. Average speed. Average speed is the total distance traveled and upon the total time taken. Like you travel from here to Chotila, which is 50 kilometers in 1 hour, and from Chotila to Limdi you travel 50 kilometers in 2 hours. So you have to find the average speed. Sometimes you go slow, sometimes you go fast, but then the total distance that you have traveled upon total time is average speed. And we have also learned about displacement. Displacement is the shortest path, shortest distance between the two positions. That is, you have initial position and you have final position and the shortest distance between that. You don't count distances like this you have traveled, you count the shortest distance. This we already know. And we have also learned about velocity. Velocity is displacement over time. Speed is distance over time, velocity is displacement over time. Now we are going to learn something quite interesting, a thing called acceleration. Okay, acceleration. You must have, you must be riding cycles, and you're riding the cycle slowly. You're waiting for a friend to come. Okay, you are here now, and you're riding the cycle slowly, and your friend comes, and you suddenly zoom. You want to be with your friend, and you want to even overtake your friend, and you zoom. How do you zoom? You accelerate. Okay, that zoom in science is called acceleration. Okay, like suppose you are riding at say 1 meter per second. Okay, and then you go to say, let us say 2 meters per second. Okay, but then how fast do you get to this? Let us say in 5 seconds. Okay, but suppose you are going on a scooter. Your scooter like this. You're going on a scooter. The scooter is not drawn properly, but then suppose in a scooter there's a pillion and there's one more, and you're going like this. You're traveling slowly, let us say at 2 meters per second, or maybe even 1 meter per second, like cycle. And you suddenly, there's a dog which goes behind you, barking, and you zoom to 2 meters per second. But on a cycle, it takes you 5 seconds to do that. But on a scooter, it might take you only 3 seconds. Okay, the same thing with a car. Okay, the car like this. Car. Okay, like that. But you are moving at 1 meter per second on a car, and suddenly the police chases you, and you rush to 2 meters per second in just 1 second. You go from 1 meter per second to 2 meters per second in just 1 second. You zoom. The rocket may take you even 0.1 second to go from 1 meter to second to 2 meters per second. So this is called acceleration. Now let us define acceleration as A is equal to the final velocity, that is 2 meters per second, minus the initial velocity, which is 1 meter per second, upon time taken. Now time taken is all different. On the cycle it is 5 seconds, on your scooter it is 3 seconds, on the car it is 1 second, and on a rocket, let us say, on a rocket it is 0.1 second. The time differs everywhere. The initial velocity, the final velocity is the same, the initial velocity is the same, the time changes. Let us consider the acceleration for each one of these four. First is, let us say, cycle. Okay, cycle final velocity is 2 minus 1 upon time is 5 seconds, so it will be 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 meters per second square. Why is it this? Let me show you properly. Let me show you this here. It is 1 meter per second, okay, minus 2 meters per second minus 1 meter per second, which is equal to, and upon time, which is also second, 5 seconds. So it is meter per second per second. That is why you'll get meter per second square. Okay, meters per second, meters per second square. That is the unit for acceleration. So it is, let us say, 0.2 meters per second square. It can be written as 0.2 meters second minus 2. Okay, because 1 upon s square is minus 2. That you have learned in your mathematics. Exponents, isn't it? Now let us say, let us take the other one, which is the scooter. The acceleration, this is the scooter. This is the scooter. So 2 minus 1 upon 3 seconds. So it is 1 upon 3 meters per second square, or 0.33 meters per second square, or 0.3 meters s minus 2. Let us take the third one. Here we'll see that both the final velocity and initial velocity in all the four are the same, but their acceleration differs. One is 0.22 and the other is 0.33. Now 0.2, now let us take the car. It is 2 minus 1 upon 1. It takes only 1 second. So it is 1 upon 1, so it is equal to 1 meter per second square is equal to 1.0 meter per second square, or 1.0 meters s minus 2. Okay, meters per second square, meter s minus 2 to the power of minus 2 is the same. And the last thing is your rocket. Okay, your rocket. So that is 2 minus 1 upon 0.1 is equal to 1 upon 0.1, which is equal to 10 meters per second square, or 10.0 meters s minus 2. Okay, it's the same final velocity, the same initial velocity, and the acceleration is different. You can also have initial velocity. Suppose you are standing here, you are standing here, your initial velocity is 0 meters per second, and you go quickly and reach 2 meters per second, okay, here, and this is your initial velocity. So u will be equal to 0, v will equal to 2 meters per second square. Okay, you can also be moving very quickly at 2 meters per second square per second, and you suddenly stop, and you stop completely, and you stop at 0 meters per second. So this is the reverse. So what this is called acceleration, and this acceleration is positive. This is called retardation or braking. Retardation, when you brake, you are moving at faster speed and then suddenly you stop. Okay, so this is a negative acceleration. Here in this case, a is equal to positive, and here a is equal to negative. Okay, so that is the main difference. Now let us do some sums in this.